Installation of BRITA Purity C. Insert the seals into the stop valve. Connect the stop valve at the inlet of the filter head. Remove the protective cap. Check the O-rings for correct fit. Insert the filter cartridge in the filter head. The filter cartridge can only be inserted when the locking handle is open. Turn the locking handle until you feel it engage. Insert the seals into the hoses, and connect them at the filter head. Tighten the connection using pliers. Use the test kit to determine the temporary hardness, also known as carbonate hardness, of the local tap water. This measurement is necessary to determine the recommended bypass setting of the filter system. In order to get an accurate measurement of water hardness, let the tap water flow until it is cold. Fill the vial up to the 5 ml mark with tap water. Count the drops, and carefully swirl the measuring tube after each drop, until the water and each added drop are completely mixed. Add indicator solution drop by drop, until a color change from violet to yellow occurs. Each drop represents 1 degree of temporary hardness. Check the product manual or use the BRITA Professional Filter Service app to see the recommended bypass setting, based on the temporary hardness you measured. Scan the QR code on the filter cartridge, and set the reminder for the filter exchange in the Professional Filter Service app. You can download the Professional Filter Service app free of charge from our homepage, Google Play, or the Apple App Store. Alternatively, you can also note the exchange date in the date field on the filter cartridge. The Purity C filter cartridge is exhausted after reaching the capacity stated by the information supplied by the machine manufacturer, or at least 12 months depending on which occurs first. Adjust the bypass with a 4 mm Allen key, according to the application and the identified temporary hardness. Turn the bypass until the desired bypass agrees with the marking. Never overwind the bypass screw to avoid any damage. Adjust the capacity of the flow meter. Connect the display unit. The sensor must be plugged in during activation. Attach the display unit to a clearly visible place. Operate the flush valve, and flush the filter system until the filtered water runs without bubbles. Now Purity C is ready for operation.